Hello everyone. This presentation is about mortality and natality. This presentation is prepared by Damit Krishna. So what is mortality? Mortality is defined as the number of deaths of organisms in a population of a specific area with the passage of time. It eliminates people from the population. It reduces the population size. When the population is small, mortality is low. When the population is vast, mortality is high. Types of mortality. Number one is absolute mortality. The number of deaths under ideal conditions with no competition, abundance of resources such as food and water, etc. Second is realized mortality. The number of deaths when environmental pressures come into play. It must be remembered that absolute mortality will be always loss than realized mortality. Third one is minimum mortality. It is also called specific or potential mortality. Loss of individual under ideal or non-limiting conditions, constant for a population, affected by physiological condition like old age. Ecological mortality, also called as realized mortality, death of individual of a population under existing environmental condition. Next is natality. Natality is defined as the number of births of organisms in a population of a specific area with the passage of time. It increases the population by bringing in new people. When the population size is small, it is high, and when the population number is great, it is low. It has the greatest influence on a population growth. Natality is a crude birth rate or specific birth rate. Types of natality. Absolute natality, like that the number of births under ideal conditions with no competition, abundance of resources such as food and water. Next is realized. The number of births when environmental pressures come into play. Must be remembered that absolute natality will be always more than realized natality. Maximum natality, also called absolute or potential natality, occurs when species exist under ideal ecological and genetic conditions. Ecological natality, also called as realized natality, population increase under an actual existing specific conditions. It is not constant for a population as it varies with the size of population as well as with time. So thank you very much. We will meet in our next presentation.